Okay, got a bit of sunshine today, which is nice. I'm going to do a gateway update on the XI5. Basically finish off the electrics, get all those tied in, take those brackets off. Going to rip this floor out and replace the flooring itself. I'm going to start to EVA the deck, so full deck of EVA. Yeah, that's the plan. Righto, I'll give you a little update where we're up to. I've lacquer sealed the tops of all these. This is all the front deck, plus one over in there needs to be done. But I've gone ahead and cut the bottom deck. I've just put one piece in there. I'm going to see how the second one goes. But that one's a good fit. So got the other one here. I'll just put you on hands free and see if we can't line it up. Seal the top of these and bottom, sides, and then basically put on the EVA deck, and we're good to go. So we might do some of that now. Alrighty, bit of an update. So we've got most of the EVA on top of all the panels. I'm just going to lay a couple in there and start screwing them in. Righto, front deck's done. I'll give it a look. Here we go, we're finished. A few little issues here and there. Probably the biggest one is probably the straight edge. Hard to get that straight, and then form fit it as well. So but that's all good. The main bit was down here, and I'm pretty happy with that. So just needs a bit of a clean out, bit of a vacuum when it's dry. Still a little bit of rain around, so everything's looking good up here. we get away from that crappy carpet that holds all the dust and crap, and we can't wash it clean. And now it looks pretty good, so I'm happy. G'day all, welcome back to the boat build. So today we're going to calibrate the 0.1 and the Motor Guide XI5 whilst we're on the water. So let's go ahead and do that now. So what we need to do, I'll put you on the screen. Here we go, we're in, we'll go into settings, go down to network, and then we go device list. Scroll down to our 0.1, which is there. We tap on that one. Now we can call this whatever we want, but we'll just call it 0.1 because that's easy. Calibrate. So what we do now is we need to do a rate of turn of 2 to 3 degrees to maintain it in between that 2 to 3 degrees, and we need to rotate a complete 390 degrees rotation at approximately 130 or to 190 seconds to calibrate the device. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go right. So you're going to see we can stay between the 2 to 3 degrees. Might be a little bit less. Let's go around a bit. See there, we're maintaining that 2.5, 2.8, 2.4. We're in between that 2 to 3. Yep, maintaining that 2 to 3. So that's almost a complete circle there now. We're still going around to 390. Calibration okay. So that's all we've got to do. So that's the 0.1 calibrated. All right. So now we'll do the Motor Guide. What we need to do first is calibrate the heading to north or to straight ahead. So it needs to be parallel with the boat so that the course is direct or straight. So what we need to do is launch the XI5, make sure we've got all our compass readings and all the rest of it, all the lights come up, and then we will travel along in a straight line, and then we'll calibrate with a 112 button sequence on the remote control. So let's do that now. Okay. Putting down the motor now. Alright. So we've got our GPS, we've got our power, and we've got our on button. So what we'll do now is travel along in a straight line. We've got to press and hold the manual button on your remote. So press and hold, and then press 112. So we'll hold that and we'll go, and then release. So now the heading sensor is well, the heading is correct, so it's in line with the keel of the boat, which is good, which is what we want. So the next bit we need to do, we'll move on to that now. That's basically a calibration of the GPS. So we might move over into the shallow waters and calibrate our GPS on the Motor Guide. So what we need to do now is do 2 complete circles, and then two beeps will occur when it's very close to the calibration bit. The GPS light will turn off after command M111 is accepted. The GPS light will turn on and a beep will occur, signaling a successful calibration. So let's do that now. We'll walk through it. Okay, coming around now on the second turn. Coming around, we're almost completing the 2 turns, and I haven't heard any beeps as yet, so keep going. Okay, so now we have all lights on the motor guide, so everything lit up. The GPS light came back to tell us that we've got GPS lock, calibration is correct. Alright guys, that completes our two-part series on the boat build, EVA install and motor guide. Hope you enjoyed that series, and as always, if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the water soon.